How to change currency on OneXBet app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. Even if you have the OneXBet app installed on your phone, in order to change the currency, you need to head over to the website first. So open up the browser. Now navigate to the OneXBet website. After you are in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. At the top right corner, you can see your account icon. Tap on it. Now select this account settings option over here. It will prompt you to your account settings page like this. And over here, you can select the currency that is applied in your account. In order to change the currency, you can see your present currency over here. If you want to change it, you can tap on this currency option. It will give you the list of currency that you can change it to. In my country, OneXBet app is considered illegal, so it does not give any options to change any currency. But following the similar process, you'll be able to see the list of currency that you can change it to. You can select your preferred currency from here. And that's it. That's how you can easily change currency on your OneXBet account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.